We're at the beach.
Ano naman kayo ka nang ngaligo?
Look at the beach. Wow. Looks so nice.
Feels na, ambot lang. Ambot ka sa loob. Balik mo na rin ko.
Wait. What's on my bag?
Ang isda na.
That song was brought to you by Mura lang ang budget sa pagbenta. Inasusan kasi
Yan naman, pag Dani Papa ka, nag-guide man siya ng school.
Pura sa Love Radio.
This time check is brought to you by
Pabaro ba na? Nanukok ng isda.
ISO certified. World class quality dry detergent.
And dahil malangin ang effective pa rin ang produkto, Champion, tapat po sa inyo.
Okay, now, gawas na mo. Oh, napakong. Matay ng isda. Bili na ng galon, bili na ng galon.
I just coconut up. Zero. Ay, muna na ko. Okay. Go to the beach. There's sand. I mean, it's a beach. Like, there's no beach without sand. There's okay. I got sand in my feet. Yeah. Where's the sand? This. Taking longer. Got it. Okay. Okay. Ew. Bye-bye. Ito pa na ako dyan sa okay.
Malingkod ko eh.
Look at me. Look at the beach.
Bag niya mo milot. Ano yung bag? Ano din nila?
There's poo-poo near this one. There's poo-poo near this. Looks like this.
Kapal.
Ayaw nang ibutan diha na. Itapa na natin mo ng isda. Bantayin nga dili ma. Kuan sa iro kay.
Ew, no. So small. Small.